In this short tutorial, you will learn how to send videos from your camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. Sending videos from your camera roll is a great way to share pre-recorded moments with your friends on Snapchat. To get started, open up the Snapchat app and then record a quick, short video. After that, tap on the plus button at the bottom left next to the clip that you just recorded. Then tap on the Import Media button on the right side. Now you have the ability to add a video from the camera roll. So go ahead and tap and select any video from the camera roll. Then tap on the check mark at the bottom right. What you want to do next is tap on the video that you previously recorded. Then tap on the trash can icon. Then tap on the delete button to delete the recorded clip. Once you've done that, tap the preview button. Then tap Send to. Now you can send this camera roll video as a snap to anyone you want. It will take some time to send the snap. As you can see, it is sent as a snap and not as a video. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.